Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not loading on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve not loading on Facebook, you should just go to settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you'll enter to Facebook app. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.